So we are going to we are going to start with the dry ingredients. So this is what we call the dry ingredients. This is sugar, this is baking powder, and this is the flour. These are the dry ingredients. So take your whisk.
So the red one is.
No, don't worry, we'll get there. Take your whisk. I said take your time, yeah? Take your whisk. Hold it with the other hand. Now take your sugar. Take your time. Pick the sugar. You want to take it with 2 hands, it's okay. Neshegu. Okay. Then take your baking powder. Then add that one too. Okay. Now mix all of them. Hold it. Are we okay? Is it okay?
No.
Huh?
Just a few times.
Okay. It's okay now. This is egg. This is strawberry essence. Like the way you have vanilla essence, this is strawberry essence. This is milk. And this is um melted butter. You understand? So now these are wet ingredients. So you pour them here. So you can put the whisk down. Then add your wet ingredients one by one. Any one you want to add is fine. Take your time. Take your time. Okay.
What one is this?
Okay. Okay. No, take this one first. I'll measure the other one for you. Take your time. This is milk. Pour it. What are you looking at?
I was checking how.
Pour everything. Okay.
Now I should wait.
Wait. This one is a melted butter. I'm coming to add it. Remove your hand. 1, 2,
Just 3 scoops.
6,
1, 2, 3,
3,
4, 5, 6. Hey!
Tilt it for me. Just a bit. So that I get one. It's hot. Okay, with the gem. Don't worry. Now whisk. Take your time. And hold the bowl so that it will be stagnant.
Wow.
Yes, you're doing well.
See how it has become.
Continue. We have to mix it so that everything will mix it properly.
When I finish, I can lay there.
Okay. Who do you mix it, mommy? Continue mixing. All the flour and everything has to mix up. Are you tired?
No. When we finish, the next thing we make is a smoothie.
A smoothie. With what and what?
So we are going to add the red thing that I poured inside.
A strawberry essence.
Yes. Then I'll add some chocolate with the sugar
Okay.
and flour.
Hey, smoothie.
Hey, no flour.
Okay.
And we'll blend it.
Okay. We are almost there. Keep mixing. Should I come and help you small so that it's smoother?
No.
I shouldn't come and help you. Okay.
I'm okay with it.
Okay.
No. It smells pretty nice. I'm putting my hand here so that it does not.
Hold the bowl. Hold the bowl when you're mixing it. take the chocolate later. I want who you know. Slow and steady. Take your time.
Another scoop, it is too small.
Take your time. Take your time. Let me see.
Problem.
Don't stretch. It's okay. Oh, what's happening? Okay. So now we just wait. Good job. High five.
I'm going to sit down.
Next picture, you are going to sit down. Okay.